Hi guys, welcome to the Premsoft Technical channel. In the C language tutorial series, today we are going to see the alphabet pattern 2. In the last pattern, we discussed about how to print the ABCD pattern. In today's tutorial, I am going to explain you about how to print this pattern on this pattern in C language. Like on the first line I wanted to print A, on the second line I wanted to print AB, on the third line I wanted to print ABC, and so on. So let's start with the video guys. So I already took the two header files and I took the main function. I will take three variable n, comma I, comma j. Sir, n is required how many rows you want. Like in my program here, if you see in this pattern there are 5 rows. Okay, so here how many rows you want, that is nothing but number of, enter the number, that number user will give, that many rows it will print on the screen. Scanf %d comma address of n. Then we will use loops here to write this program. So how many rows are there, that many times this for loop will execute. But inner for loop will change. In the last for loop what we did is, their inner and outer both for loops were same, but now here it will not same. So what we have to write, we'll just discuss in 1 minute. And print, what we have to print on the screen, again the same thing, %c comma k. K is nothing but what guys, k is nothing but the value of a. Value of a is what, 65. 65 is equivalent to capital A, nothing but ASCII character of 65 is capital A, that's why I took the 65 value. And k I am printing, k is nothing but 65. When I convert it to %c, I will get the capital A on the screen. And then I will write k++ here. Now guys, when first row is executing, on the first row how many times it should execute? See this pattern, how many times it should execute? Only one time. When second time it should execute 2 times. When third row it should execute 3 times. So what should be the condition? I will write here I. Sir, why I? When first row it will execute 1 time. When I value is 2, nothing but second row it will execute 2 times. When I value is 3, nothing but third row it will execute 3 times. So we'll just see this all the concept with the practical way. So let us say here n values I am considering as 5, I value we are having 1, j value initially 1, and k value we are taking 65. So first it will check 1 less than 5, condition true, it will come inside for loop. Here j less than or equals to I, nothing but 1 less than or equals to n, 1, because both values are 1. So condition true, it will come inside, it will print k value. K value is what? A. So A will be printed on the screen. After that what will happen? J++, j value will become 2. J value will become 2. Again 2 less than or equals to 1, because j value is 2, I value is 1, so condition false, so it will not print anything, just it will come on this line. After coming out this for loop, already you know, first we have to go to the new line, because next line, and then again k value should be starting the 65, because from second row also I am having the a value should be a and b. So what will happen here? Now when I come out new line, nothing but this cursor will go to the new line. We'll make it a little big. Cursor will go to new line, a value will make it to 65, because here it was 65, again 65. I did not change last time, so make it as 65 only. I++, I value will change to what? 2. I value will change to 2. And whenever it come inside, again you know, j value will become what? 1. So j value will become 1 again. So again it will check. 1 less than or equals to I, nothing but 2. Condition true, it will come inside, it will print the k value. What is k value right now? 65, nothing but a. So a we will write it. After that k++, k value will become 66. After that what is happen? J++, what is j value? 1 right now. So it will become how much? It will become 2. So it will check, because j value is 2, I value is 2. 2 less than or equals to 2, condition true. So it will come inside, k value will be printed. K value is 66, nothing but b will be printed. After that k++, k value will become 67. After that j++, j value will become 3. 3 less than or equals to 2, because here j value is 3 and I value is 2. 3 less than or equals to 2, condition false. So when it is false, it will come out. slash n, nothing but your cursor will go to new line. K value will be 65. So again here K value will be 65. Then what will happen? Again I plus plus, I value will become 3. And you know, whenever the cursor come inside, again what will happen? Your A value, sorry, your I value will become what? 1 again. So I will just remove this extra stuff. Okay, we'll do one thing, we'll remove everything. We'll make it K value 65 and J value 1. Okay. So here J value will make it 1, K value will make it 65. Now third row is started. Again 1 less than or equals to I value is 3. So 1 less than or equals to 3, condition true, A will be printed. Then it will become 66 and this will become I plus J plus plus will become 2. Again 2 less than or equals to I value 3. So 2 less than or equals to 3, condition true, K value will be printed. 66 is nothing but B. Okay, because ASCII character of 66 is B, so that's why B will be printed. Then K plus plus, it will become 67. Then what will happen? J plus plus, J value will become 3. Again it will come inside. 3 less than or equals to 3, condition true. It will print the 67 value. 67 is nothing but what? K value is 67, nothing but C. C will be printed. It will become what? 68. And J will become what? 4. But I value is 3 only. So what will happen? 4 less than or equals to 3. Condition false, it will come out. Again new line is nothing but here it will come. And K value will be again 65. Then fourth row, nothing but I value will become 4. Again J value will start from 1. So what will happen, guys? Now it is simple. J value is 1, I value is 4. Nothing but how many times it will execute? 4 times. So what you will get it on the screen? You will get it A, B, C and D. How it will process? It is like same like previous one only. Then again when I will become 5 and J will become 1. So how many times this for loop will execute? 5 times. So again you will get it what? A, B, C, D and E. Why? Because J value is 1 and I value is 5. So first 1 will be printed, then 2 will be printed, then 3 will be nothing but 65, 66, 67 values will be encrypted. How it is working for first 3 rows, similarly 4th and 5th row will be continuation. I hope it is clear. Now just we'll see the output whether it is working fine or not. Compile and see the output. I will write here pattern 2.c because pattern 1 already we executed, so we'll go with pattern 2. Now I'm giving the n value is 5, so we are getting AAA. So where we did the mistake, guys, let me check. K value 65 we did it, K plus plus we wrote, J less than or equals to, okay, here I wrote J plus plus, here we have to write I plus plus. Rest of the things are same. Compile and run. Only one mistake I did, guys, that is I value I make it to I wrote instead of I plus plus I was wrote there J plus plus. So AB, ABC, ABCD, ABCDE, like this we are getting 5 row. Just here, guys, I wrote the J plus plus, that's why the error was coming. If I execute here, if I give here let us say 7, so I will get it like this. I hope you are clear with this one, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video, guys.